Page 12, Silent Night. 3/4 time, so we're counting to 3, but we're counting quarter notes, and this has a sharp in the key signature, so this is in the key of G major. So all the F's are going to be sharped automatically. Now we'll see how that goes. It's got dotted rhythms all over, but this is a very well-known melody. So at the beginning, right hand first, thumb on D, that puts you in this position, except you have an F sharp here. So it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. See, that's the rhythm, and that's all over the play. Top of page 13, got an E. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and, like so. Then on the third line down, you got to move the hand. So we're going from here, we're going up to here. Third finger on that. So it's 1 and 2 and. Now watch this rhythm here, or the fingering here. It's a little different. There's other fingerings you can use, but we'll use their fingering. It's fine. We need the practice. So it's here. 1 and bring the second finger down for the F sharp, and then stick the thumb under for the G. And then here. I don't agree with that at all, but that's what they want to do. If I were going to do this, I would simply play the G with the third finger. I don't need the thumb there, and then I can play the B with the little finger. And that, to me, that's easier than what they're doing, but you can do their fingering if you want, or do what I'm suggesting. You go here, here. They probably don't want you to use third finger again because you just used third finger. There's times you have to do that, but their fingering is fine. And then that's it. And you have a G and a B at the end. Left hand. Left hand gets melody sometimes, so you got to bring it out like melody, and other times you're accompanying, you got to keep it soft. So over on page 12, when it comes in, it's third finger on B. You're in this position. And that's melody. All of that is melody, and then the second line, it's all accompaniment. Keep it soft. And that's tied. You're going to hold that down for 2 measures, and then the G and the B, you're going to hold that down for 2 measures. It's a little tricky coming from here to here. Connect it if you can, and play it, get them down together at the same time. That takes a little practice. And then top page 13 here, and then you get a rest. You get some things going on here. Go down to the third line down. That is a C and a D together. You're going to hold that down if you can stand to listen to it that long, and then here. And then at the end, finally the left hand gets melody. 1 and 2. And that's tied, so you're going to hang on to it for both measures. Now let's put the hands together and see what happens. You're starting here and here. So it's 1 and 2. See, the trick here is it's got to sound like one hand played it all. So you got to balance this out between the hands. 1 and 2. Now in the second line, bring out the right hand. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And if you're going to lift up between the phrases, which you can do on that last line on page 12, between the second and third measures, if you want, just lift both hands up, it's easier. That's fine. We need to lift the right hand out because of the phrase, and so we go ahead and do the left hand too. Then lift up again. Hold the left hand down. Right there's a rest in the left hand. Make sure you lift up. And another rest. Gotta play the rests. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. Make sure you're playing the rest. Now the right hand goes up during this measure. The right hand goes up. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 2, 3. And you get the rest of it. Now the last 2 measures, it's here, and then in the last measure, you're just adding the right hand to it. Hold the left hand down, just add the right hand to it. Now the showing pedal there, again, I disagree. You You didn't use pedal anywhere else. I see no point in using it here. That we need to die away. It needs to get simple. And pedal adds more sound to it. It doesn't get simple. It's got a lot more sound going on there than just this. Keep it simple. So I suggest no pedal. But if you want to use pedal, push the pedal down right after you play the G. Play the G first and then the pedal, and hold it down, and then lift the hands and the pedal at the same time. And that's about it. As far as the dynamics go, this is a gentle piece. Get to know the piece and then feel the dynamic. What do you think the dynamics should be? These dynamics, the louds and whatnot they're showing, they're all just suggestions. It's really up to you and what you think it should be. I'd like to play this with you slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. On your right hand and left hand is here. There we go. 1, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, off.